All right, so we are now headed to Shenandoah. It's like 9:30-ish. We just got to take all our stuff out of here. So I just made a sandwich on the back of the truck.
Let me see if there is a Sam's Club. What's up with the sun? Oh, I messed it up.
You messed it up.
Yeah, I messed it up.
So we just passed something called Luray Caverns. I kind of missed it. It was like this big bell tower looking thing. Now we're in the mountains. It's pretty cool. We are now in Shanendoah National Park, and it's pretty sick. We're still riding up Shenandoah, but now it's starting to get really cold, so look at all the snow. I'm gonna get a truck, dude. I like it. But look at that. That cloud is making a shape over there.
Looks like a dragon eating something.
It does. I was gonna say that. Yeah, it looks like a dragon. So we're actually on the way up to Hawksbill Gap, and this is very steep and icy. It's way harder than I was expecting. My stuff is good grip, but this is just very icy right now. We're at the top of Hawksbill Gap. It looks like there's people coming down, so maybe there's more up there. Maybe we should just keep walking a little bit.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
You see where those people are? It's a picnic area. we are again on the back of the truck. We got more stuff from the grocery store this time. So we're making new sandwiches. Anyways, and now we're just gonna probably drive through Shenandoah for a little bit more. We already did one hike, so we'll see what else is left if we go. I think that's north. I think that might be north, so I don't know yet.